Claude Code is a wonderful tool that helps your coding and makes it faster exponentially. To install it on Windows 11, you just need to open PowerShell. Make sure you run it as administrator so that you have all the required permissions. And in PowerShell, just enter this command. I'll have this command in the description below. You can just copy and paste it from here and hit enter. Now this will install Claude Code for you. Now, Claude also has a lot of built-in Git features. So if you want to use Git features like Git branches, Git workflow, and so on, you'll have to install Git too. If you want to know how you can install Git, check the link in the description below. Now, just wait for a few seconds. There is no feedback here, but it is actually installing, and it will install in under a minute. So now, after a few seconds, you will see this message that says Claude Code successfully installed, and there's a bunch of stuff below it. Now, what you need to do is you need to add this path to environment variable. Otherwise, you will not be able to run the command Claude in your terminal. So copy this path, okay, till bin. It will also be shown here. Just copy this path till bin. No need to copy claude.exe. Once you've copied this, press your Windows key and search for environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables and click on environment variables. Here in the path, just double click on new, paste that path, click OK. Click OK and click OK again. Now this is a very important step. If you don't do this, your terminal or command prompt will not recognize the command Claude. Okay. Now you can close your PowerShell and open command prompt or terminal as you'd like, and just type Claude --version, hit enter, and as you can see, we are on Claude 2.1.76. Now to authorize your Claude Code with your enterprise account or any other method, just enter Claude and hit enter. Okay, I misspelled it, CLAUDE, hit enter, and now it will begin your authentication and your configuration. Here you will see this 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can choose your mode here just by using arrow keys up and down. Just pick the mode you like and hit enter, and now you will see select login method. There are a bunch of methods here using Claude account with subscription, Anthropic console account, and so on. So if you have taken API from Claude Code, you can use this Anthropic console account. If not, you just use Claude chatbot with Pro, Max, or Team, or Enterprise. Just click on the first one here. Now, I've not used this third-party platform, so I'm not sure how you log in using this. In any case, just click on the one you want and it will open a browser and it will ask you to log in or upgrade. If you want to use APIs or any other method, just press Ctrl C again, and then run Claude again, and your configurator will open again. And now just choose your method. Okay, again, whatever method you choose, it opens up in browser where you can log in and give permission to your Claude Code installation. After that, you can just use Claude Code in your terminal, in your VS Code, Cursor terminal, or any other terminal. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.